Hello guys, how you doing today? This is a 2008 Toyota Yaris. This is the key for it. I changed the battery and the key that was still not working. So what I did, I programmed the key with the car. Okay, it's just a couple steps that you need to do. Okay, here's the things you got to do. I found this online. Say begin with the key of the ignition. You can see the second step you got to do. This is the second one. Is insert the key into the ignition, then remove it. Close and then open the driver's side door twice. Insert the key into the ignition and leaving it into the ignition. Close the driver's side door. Switch the ignition to on, then off. Okay, what you do? You put the key. You go from on all the way back to off. Okay. And then here's the other step you need to do. You need to hold the lock and unlock buttons on the same time. Hold both of them. So okay, hold both for 1.5 seconds. Okay, and then let it go. You let it go. Push the lock button and holding it for 2 more seconds. Okay, so we're gonna start it from the top again. We can see the stop. This is for 2008 Toyota Yaris. So okay, this is the step you got to do. It's really easy to do on it. Okay, show you more. So I follow this step. This is the key. Lock and unlock. As you can see, it's moving now. That's what I did. Okay. So it's got a So you just gotta follow this step, okay? So what do? You open this door, open and drive the shower door, open and unlock the driver's side door with the 5 seconds insert the key into the ignition. So you just follow this step right here. This will help you to program your key into 2008 Toyota Yaris. Or you can Google it too, so make it more simple for you. Okay, have a good day, bye.